Rear doors buying guide. The expert guide will show you how to buy interior doors, informing your choice by helping you understand the various styles, types of doors available. Because doors are highly visible, hard-working parts in a home's interior. They deserve thoughtful attention when it comes time to buy new ones. The right doors will stand up durably to daily use, minimize sound transfer between rooms, and add character or style to the home's overall interior design. The following information will show you how to buy interior doors that are right for your home. Interior doors come in many different styles and configurations and are made of various materials. The top doors you choose for your home or can dramatically affect your home interior privacy, noise control, and overall visual impression. You say you already have doors but just don't look right. Doors that don't close or latch properly or that fit an opening properly can be frustrating. Fortunately, many types of repairs are really easy to do yourself to repair. Door construction. Interior comes two basic types, flush and panel. Flush doors have flat, smooth surface. They are typically painted or stained with wood stains. They are basically non-distributed and, as a result, blended within at home's interior unless their interior is quite traditional or classic. Hollow core flush doors entered millions of homes for the past. These have an inner soft wood frame surrounding cardboard honeyed cores and are faced with thin wood veneers. They are damaged relatively easy and allow considerable sound transfer. These surfaces with Luan and mahogany veneer have a particularly soft surface that don't receive finishes very well. Surface veneers or birch and other hardwoods are stronger than and take deceive paint better. Panel doors, shown below, are made from framed or horizontal rails or vertical styles that frame door, erasable doors, or in some cases glass panels. The chromaticity is common on soluble doors because it minus the effect of the best stable and are built with precisely fitted interior locking installation. Door size, standard interior doors. Interior door types: hinged doors, folding doors, the bypass doors, wall-mounted barn doors, the pocket doors,